bird stop.
Bird repellent.
That's insane.
But look, by right here.
By methylphenolate, by weight, is 26.4%.
That's exactly what we need.
Yeah. The only disturbing part is it also says that 73.6% are other ingredients. Yeah, that would be very concerning, except because this is being used for birds, they had to make this food grade.
That makes it safe.
I mean, I don't think there's a separate classification for bird food grade. And, you know, if it's good for a bird, it's probably good for us too, right?
Yeah, let's go. Crack it open.
All right. I think we're good to get started.